Welcome Metro RESA colleagues. Today we're going to look at waiting list within the course registration or Genius SIS. Once you're in your account, you may or may not have a waiting list. How to determine if you may possibly have a waiting list. For example, we're in Miranda Westbrook's account currently. Under courses, Miranda knows that there's a Desmos Learning Workshop occurring in May of 2023. Once she clicks on that, she'll be able to see the number of enrollments. Currently here, there's 29 enrollments in the elementary session, and the cap has been set at 33, which means there would be no waiting list. Currently here, under Desmos Learning Workshop for secondary session, you can see the number of enrollments are 36, and the cap is set at 38. However, when we started on this Desmos program, we had set the capacity at 30. Once we realized there was a waiting list, we talked with the consultant to see how many more people that we could facilitate within this session workshop. And so we've increased the capacity number in order to allow them in. However, to find out if there was a waiting list, we came on over here to the left-hand side and went to the very bottom where it says Reports. Under Reports, we can click on Waiting List. We can select the term is ongoing, and then the course would be Desmos. There will be no one in this waiting list because the capacity has been increased. However, this is how you could look to see how many people are sitting in your waiting list and if you think that you'll be able to properly accommodate them by increasing your capacity. Again, you'll have to go and look in your courses and you'll see the number of enrollments. If your number of enrollments exceeds your capacity, you may have a wait list. If you want to check to see if you have a wait list, if your enrollment is a higher quantity than your capacity, then you'll come over here to the left-hand side and go to General Reports and down to Wait List. There it is, Waiting List, and you'll click on that. If you're going to increase the number of enrollments because there's a waiting list, you click inside the section, click Edit, and Capacity you can increase. That will automatically enroll those from the waiting list if there's space. For example, if the capacity here is set at 33 and I have 5 people on the wait list and I want to bring them in this course, I'm going to need to set my capacity at 38. 33 plus 5 more seats are available. However, if I know that I can only hold 35 people in the space, or the facilitator can only effectively accommodate 35, and I up this to 35, and there's 5 people on the wait list, it will go in which the order in which they registered, and it will take the top 2 that registered first. If anyone drops from the course and there's a wait list, it will push the next registrant automatically into here until it meets the capacity, and they will receive an email that's generated by the registration system to let them know that they are now enrolled in the course. I hope this video was helpful. Please reach out if you have any further questions.